In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Framer. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use Mailchimp sign-up form placed right inside your Framer project without touching code. This is perfect for collecting newsletter signups, early access requests, or lead captures directly from your site's design. First, head over to Framer and open the project where you want the form to live. Make sure you're on the page or canvas frame where the form should appear so you can place it precisely where your visitors will expect it, like a hero section or a dedicated sign-up block. Next, click Insert. You'll find this in Framer's interface where you usually add new elements to your canvas. If the library doesn't appear, or you're looking at a different panel, click Insert again to bring up the full component library. Think of this as your toolbox for everything you can drop into your design: text, images, interactive components, and in our case, forms. Inside the library, look for the Forms category. This section groups components made specifically for capturing user input. Choosing a form from here saves you from wiring up a custom HTML form or worrying about basic validation and layout from scratch. Now select Mailchimp. This component is built to work with Mailchimp's subscription flow, so you can quickly add an email capture form that connects to your audience list. The component will appear on your canvas. Place it where you want it to sit, and adjust the size so it fits your layout. Framer components are responsive friendly, so a clean alignment and adequate spacing will help ensure it looks good across breakpoints. Once the Mailchimp form is on the canvas, look to the right-hand properties panel to see available settings. You'll typically find options to tailor the form's fields, labels, and success or error messages, as well as visual styling like colors, borders, and typography. These controls let you keep the form consistent with your brand without extra CSS. If you're working with a design system, match your existing text styles and spacing to maintain a cohesive look. Remember, the goal is clarity and trust. Concise copy, a clear call to action, and enough space around the form to make it stand out. When you're happy with the placement and styling, you'll be set for previewing and later on publishing to see the form in action. That's it. Go to Framer, open Insert, open it again if needed to access the full library, choose Forms, and pick Mailchimp. You now have a streamlined Mailchimp integration living right inside your Framer project.